welcome. In today's video I will show you how I made this lovely fish pie, so stick to the end and don't forget to like and drop your comments. So this is our ingredients for our fish pie filler. My fish is already cooked. We have carrots, onions, seasoning and bell pepper. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So I started by adding an oil in my pan. I allow the oil to heat up for some minutes, then I add onion. So I stir fry my onion for some minutes until I start perceiving that beautiful aroma. So here comes my salt. I add in the seasoning. Then after adding it, I mix everything together. Here comes my pepper. I like adding pepper in my filler, but it's optional. So here comes my chopped carrots, that's the vegetable. So I mixed everything together and allow it to cook for some minutes. I like cooking my vegetable like 2 minutes so that I can still get that crunchy bite. Then I add in my mashed fish. I can't forget to thank all my subscribers for always making out time to engage on my post, and all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Here I added my minced paprika. I chose the green one. I mixed everything together and allow it to heat for some minutes. Wow, our filler is ready. So it's time to mix our dough. Here come our flour. I've added the salt, the baking powder and also the margarine. Then I have to mix everything together. I keep mixing it. Keep mixing, guys. I so much like fish pie so much. Every week I make it. I keep it. I make sure I have fish pie in my freezer. So I form a hole in the middle and add in my cold water. So I continue my mixing, guys. Any week I forget to do fish pie, my husband will ask me, hope all is well. So this is our dough. It is ready. Now I cover it for like 30 minutes. My dough is ready. If you have really watched this time, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, your effort in engaging and making our time to engage on my posts. The dough cutter that I got was so disappointing. If I'm cutting the dough, it will be coming out from the other side, guys. It was so annoying. So I prefer using this my flat plate because it gives me that beautiful shape, that round shape that I desire on my pie. So when closing your dough, make sure the tips are together, then use your fork to support it to make it clock very well and give it that beautiful design that you desire. This my dough is not really giving me what I want. It's as if I did not add enough water when I wanted to achieve the dough. So because of not adding enough water, the dough was really giving me a tough time, but finally I achieved my aim. So if you're forming your dough, make sure you add enough water, but don't over add the water because it will be too soft. Use a good measurement to add your water when forming your dough. Thank you once again for watching. Please stick to the end. So my fish pie is ready to go to the oven. So I started adding an egg wash to make it shine. Egg wash help the meat pie to come out very shiny and beautiful. So without egg wash, it's going to come out looking dull. The pie is ready to enter the oven. So I bake 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Then I cover it to bake. After 45 minutes, it is done. It is ready to eat, looking delicious and yummy. It smells. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share to your loved ones and save.